Ehurege neetwa school feeding program kaneija kuba nekora omu mashomero ga district ya Kabarole n'ekigendererwa ky'okurwanisa okushinya omubaana.
So you see people they have children whom they are paying fees for. So most of the food that is being planted is brought in the market. They are looking for school fees. I think we need to have as an action from this meeting, we may need to educate these women in Kabundeire market and in maybe some markets around, that as much as they need school fees for their children, they also need food for their families.
Okujitongoza kwa koroha mbuga nkuru za district ya Kabarole muri Kitumba kandi yayitabwamo abebembezi ba district bakuru b'amadini hamwe n'abari hakachiko aka district nutrition committee.
The two must move hand in hand. Having good food is one thing, but also getting this food in a healthy environment is another. The other day we were looking at sanitation. I have not seen the indicators of late, but I think Kabale is a city of Kabale.
So you can't give somebody stress. You beat the person. You emotionally abuse the person. And you expect her to be dressed at night. Or you expect him to perform at night if it is a man. Stress levels also affect men. The man can't stand up very well with the third leg.
Ebihandiko ku Ministry by'amagara nibyoreka ngwe cyanga cyatoroke bembiri hanga ryo no kugira abana bari hansi y'emyaka 5 abashinyirei no bucweka 38 no butonyezo mushanjo harigana okuchondozo kwa KRC Uganda no koreka mu district ya Kamwenge einabana 10 na mushanjo Fort Portal State n'abana rushanjo na mushanjo Chenjo je n'abana rukagashato n'abana Kabarole 13 bunyanga bashato n'ababiri kitagwenda 20 kandi yo district ya Ntoroko ashatu nomwe.
Region we are at 38.7% stunting levels, that is in children below 5 years. So these children need specific nutrients for their brain growth. But according to the statistics, they clearly show us that our children in the Toro region, out of 100, 40 of them, their brain stopped growing normally, developing normally.
So we don't have to look at a particular site to say these ones are okay. People in town need to be reminded, and people in villages also need to be told that you don't have to sell all the food. So you see the markets are full of food, but when actually homes are sleeping hungry.
Ekirukw'isenako n'okushanga ngo ebizibu by'okurya tubiri mu baana bonka kureka no mu bantu bakuru.
When they don't get the right nutrients, those are pregnant mothers, then we shall have effects of low birth weight babies. We shall have effects of anemia among pregnant mothers. And what happens is the cycle repeats itself. Then if the mother does not get enough nutrients, gives birth to a baby with a low birth weight.
Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tusingwire.